Hello everyone, today we're going to experiment how different substances affect the melting rate of ice.
Our hypothesis is that salt is the best substance to decrease the melting rate of ice. Over here, substance number 1, we have sugar. Substance number 2, we have salt. Substance number 3, we have garlic powder. First off, we want to be starting off with our control, which is the ice, the normal time it takes for an ice cube to melt with no substances on top. So let's see how long it takes for it to melt.
So it's been around 32 minutes, and the control, which is the ice without anything in it, has like halfway melted. The control melted after 52 minutes.
So now we will test how different substances affect the ice.
Trial 1.
First off, we'll test sugar. Put a spoonful of sugar on the ice. Next, we will try salt. We'll do a spoonful of salt on the sugar, on the ice. And last but not least, garlic powder. We'll be putting a spoonful of this too. And we will start the timer.
So it's 18.5 minutes, and the salt ice cube has melted completely, while the sugar one's halfway there, while the garlic one's barely melted.
Okay, so as y'all can see, the ice with the sugar has completely melted, and it's around 27 minutes.
And now all that remains is the garlic powder ice cube. Okay, so it's been 46.5 minutes. This is the garlic cup. It has completely melted. So that was trial number 1. Now we'll be doing trial number 2 for more accurate results. Thank you. This is trial number 2.
Alright, so we're putting sugar in this ice cube, on this ice cube, salt on this ice cube, and garlic powder in this one. That's good enough. As you can see, the salt is fully melted now at around 19 minutes and 49 seconds. The sugar is still medium, and the garlic powder has barely been touched. Alright, so as y'all can see, the ice with the sugar has completely melted, and it's around 27 minutes. And the ice cube with the garlic, it's still in the between. Alright, so as y'all can see, the ice cube with the garlic has completely melted, and it's around 45 minutes from now.
This was trial number 2. Now we will move on to trial number 3. So it's been almost 19 minutes, and as you can see, the garlic powder has barely melted. The salt has completely melted.
And the sugar is still, it's like in the middle of the garlic and the salt.
Yep. So therefore, this proves that salt reduces the melting rate of ice the most. So it's been 27 minutes and 15 seconds, and the sugar ice cube has melted completely. So now all that is left is the garlic ice cube. So it's 45 minutes and 50 seconds, and the garlic ice cube has completely melted. And that was trial number 3.
What causes the ice to melt faster is whenever different substances dissolve, they can dissociate where their component ions disrupt the crystal lattice of ice, and they can interrupt with the hydrogen bonds. So this is a graph of all the times and all the trials with all the substances that we tested. And on the left, we have sugar, we have salt, we have garlic powder, and we have the control group. So sugar, it showed a decreased time. It's decreased around 47-48% of the control group. And salt showed a decrease of around 63% from the control group. And garlic powder showed a decrease of only around 12%. So what this means is salt is the most effective substance in speeding up the melting process. And through this information, you can infer that salt has the most efficient component ions when they disrupt the crystal lattice. And you can also tell that garlic powder, it barely causes any difference, and it's not enough information to say that it's chemically changing the crystal lattice of the ice. So it might just be caused by the added substances causing it to heat up a little bit when you add it.